Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. For this sequence, don't worry about getting it perfect. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. Hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body, letting go of all the worries from the day, just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing it towards the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi. From here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the hands go right over to the hips. Shift your weight over and step one foot out to the side, and then soften down. Shift your weight over to one side, coming up, all the way around to the other side and down. We call this the dantian circles. The dantian is the reservoir of energy. It's located pretty much in the area of the navel. So right in our torso here, in the abdomen. And then reverse direction. All right, it's our center of mass. It's where we generate a lot of our power from our hips and our dantian. All right, one more time. Dantian circles. And then step one foot in a little bit closer. The arms float down and out to the sides. The arms float down, the palms face up. Coming up the center, they turn at the heart. Pressing up overhead, floating out and down. Holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time you can do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. Once more, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation. Pushing to the corner, one more time. And then from here, the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. And then round out as if you're hugging a big tree, bring it right to the center. Shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart and step in. Step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw back in as you shift back and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands draw in, the palms face each other, the hands go out to the corner, the palms face away from each other, they open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight and step in, Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. No rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? One more time, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers. How mindful can you be? One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. Both arms drift over to the side and down, and then drifting side to side like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step the front foot in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low. Then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. One more time, harmonizing yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer, shift all your weight over to that side, step in, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open out to the sides. And then shift the weight back, the front leg can straighten, cross the wrists, and then hinge from the hips, keeping the spine long, the arms float out to the sides. Then reverse direction, cross the wrists, shift forward, front knee bends, arms open. We call this the butterfly. So keeping the spine nice and long, shifting back, crossing the wrists and open, cross the wrists again and come forward. One more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings. Cross the wrists, shift forward, open. This time step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift all your weight over to one side and step in. Step out to the other corner, the arms open as the front knee bends. Then shift the weight back, cross the wrists, hinging from the hips. The arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward, and open. Keeping the spine long, you can straighten the front leg or you can keep a slight bend. Cross the wrists and open. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow. Flutter the wings. Cross the wrists and open. Step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down by the sides. Step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. The arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. And you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up. Breathing in, breathing out. This time you can reach up and over just as much as you can comfortably as you lift, and then step down. Other side, the crane. Just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Just meeting yourself where you're at. This time you can reach up and over. And then stepping down. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face up as we gather the seeds. Then we'll plant the seeds into the earth, coming down the center, softening down, and then let it go. The hands come back up the center to gather some more seeds, and then plant them into the earth, softening down. The hands brush out to the sides. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting seeds, taking as many breaths as you need. This time, circle the arms all the way in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists, one fist overhead, the other by the waist. And then switching sides, leaning over to the side going up, and you can turn your head a little if you like to. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Just bringing curiosity, letting go of judgment. The tiger hugs its head, touching down or lifting up. It's all good. All right, one more time, the tiger hugs its head. And then from here, both arms reach up and over, and then they float down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand here floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity, calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. And now your poem of the day that I created, called A New Year's Embrace. In the stillness, we find our way, a gentle dawn of a brand new day. Through mindful breaths, our spirits rise, like sunlight painting the morning skies. With Tai Chi's flow, we nurture grace. Compassion blooms in every space. Together we grow through challenge and cheer, welcoming peace in this bright new year. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch your flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony, 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.